All right, today is January 14th, 2022. We're finishing up our second week of trading the Aurora trading system live here in our live trading room. And I want to show you what the week has looked like. So if we go back to Monday of this week, this is trading the NASDAQ 100 futures. We're trading starting at 7 a.m. and we finish at 2 p.m. Some days we finish earlier, but our set time frame to track and analyze data that the system is producing is from 7 to 2. On Monday, we generated $2,285. On Tuesday, we generated $4,705. We actually got up to a high of $5,370 earlier in the day, but by 2 o'clock, we finished at $4,705. On Wednesday, we took a profit of $4,115. On Thursday, we took a profit of $1,660. And then today, Friday, we finished at $2,055. Now, these are gross profit numbers. They do not take into account commissions, but commissions are fairly small relative to the dollars that we're producing. The profit production for the week, and this is all based on trading one contract, just a single contract in the NASDAQ 100 futures. Profits for the week are $14,820. When we add that to our profits from week one, which was a little lighter in week one than in week two, but if we add those two profits together, we're just over $22,000 in the first 10 days of 2022. Now, this week was right on pace for our average. Our average weekly profit production is just under $14,800. And so we're pretty happy with the performance for the week. We've had a lot of people who have been following along with our trading in the live trading room the first 2 weeks and have been excited about adopting the Aurora trading system for their own trading tool set and are already starting to generate some pretty healthy returns for themselves. We're going to take that profit performance, that $2,055, 34 trades, and we're going to put it into our trade tracking tool, which is a personal trading plan. So $2,055, 34 trades, and we finished today at 2 o'clock. And so our forecast for a 12-month performance, assuming that we average 120 points a day on our winning days, and that we average about 30.25 points loss on our losing days, and that we scale up to 10 contracts, that will scale naturally as the account grows. That's one of the purposes of the personal trading plan, is to let the personal trading plan tell you how many contracts you can be trading based on your account growth. That gives us a final projection for 2022 of $4.2 million, just a little over $4.2 million. Are we actually going to make $4.2 million? I don't know. I'll tell you at the end of the year. We might decide not to scale to 10 contracts, or we might decide to scale to more than 10 contracts. We'll make that decision as we get closer to when we would be scaling up to 10. We might have lower profit production on a daily basis, and perhaps that number will be reduced. But the way I look at it is, we're starting with a $5,000 account. We are showing a profit production of up to $4.2 million. If we ended up actually achieving half of that, I think most people in our community would be absolutely delighted. But right now, that is the forecast. If I decided to reduce that to 5 contracts, then the forecast would be $2.1 million. If I decided I never wanted to trade more than 1 contract, I never wanted to scale beyond 1 contract, that still is showing a starting point of $5,000 up to a potential of $473,000. So it's early in the year. We're going to leave our forecast at 10 contracts. As I said before, we're pretty darn excited about how the system continues to perform relative to our historical averages. We're here to help you in the live trading room. We're here to provide support as you make a decision to learn how to trade the Aurora system. You can go to newcycletrading.com/Aurora, and you can click on education. And if the Aurora system is right for you, you can click on subscribe to the Aurora system. We're offering a $600 a month discount for the first 2 months to get access to the system and give you time to learn how to trade the system. And after that, it's an ongoing $200 a month discount. Now, with the profit production that I just shared with you, and this is my last comment here before we close out, $14,820 for the week, over 22,000 year to date. You only need $1,550 of profit to pay for the first 3 months of access to a system that has the potential to build you a 6 to 7 figure income for 2022. So thank you for your interest in Aurora. Thanks for being here. Those of you who have been in the live trading room with us. Next week, we'll be opening the live trading room starting on Tuesday. Monday's a market holiday, 8 a.m. Eastern. If you want to join along with us, just let us know.